Hello, and welcome to our channel. If you're an MLB fan who prefers to watch game highlights or news without audio distractions, you're in the right place. Today, we'll show you how to enable the Mute Video by Default feature in the MLB app. First, open the MLB app on your smartphone. Next, locate and tap the three-line menu icon at the top right corner. Then, scroll down and select Account Settings. After that, scroll further to find the Mute Video by Default option. Finally, toggle the setting to On to enable it. By following these steps, you've successfully set videos to mute by default in the MLB app. This adjustment helps in managing audio preferences while browsing through content. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching.